Okay, guys. I ended up winning a trade today. Unfortunately, I couldn't record because I was somewhere else. Not in my PC, so I couldn't record. But I ended up taking this trade. Ended up winning a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which it was pretty awesome. I'll say pretty simple. There was news at 10. Let's see. I don't think it made nothing. Yeah, it made nothing. But um, market open. We took out. Uh, let's see. Yeah, I mean I was bullish straight away. Yeah, I was. Yeah, I was bullish. So we went down when market open. You guys can see we went down. Took out. I think those are Asia, if I'm not mistaken. Asia, nah. Yeah, just took out some. Just took out this lower low, this low, and this one we didn't took out. So we created a SMT divergence as well as a liquidity sweep on the Nasdaq. So since um we wanted to take longs, I would actually look at the S&P 500. Why? Because it is higher. So scale down to the 5 minute. Waited for a retracement, which our retracement was a equilibrium as well as a fair value gap. Scale down even lower. Yeah, and then yeah, scale down even lower. We inverse this fair value gap, but we barely touched it on the S&P 500. And since I'm looking to take a trade on the S&P 500, I honestly didn't care about this inversion because that's on the Nasdaq chart. We tap into this fair value gap, which we also inverse this fair value gap, but we created another fair value gap on it. So honestly, if we would have gone it, if we would have inverse inverse this fair value gap on the S&P 500, I would have looked for shorts, but we didn't. We only inverse on the Nasdaq. Yeah, as you guys can see, we touched this fair value gap. We rallied up, inversing that fair value gap, which I entered around here. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Right there, and on this candlestick, again, I wasn't able to record this because I was not on my desk. I was not on my PC, but I entered off of here immediately. Well, we touch we touch a little bit on our take profit zone immediately after straight shot to the downside. And honestly, we created another fair value gap. And if we didn't inverse this fair value gap, I would have taken it out. Fortunately, we inverted it, which gave me enough confidence to just let it ride. Let the trade ride. we rallied all the way up. Boom, 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 boom. We tried to close this fair value gap, but on 10:45 we didn't, as you guys can see. But on the 1 minute we did, which gave me not so sure, but still kept my position. We dumped all the way over here again to my stop loss zone. At this time, I honestly didn't want it to break even, because there's no point. You feel me? Just a 1-to-1 ratio. So yeah, we rally backed up. Boom, 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 boom. Rally. We took out this fair value gap, which gave me enough confidence to stick to my trade. We inverted it, as you guys can see right here. And after we inverse that, I honestly was doing the things that I needed to do. Came back, hit full take profit, a 1-to-1, no partials, full take profit. And yeah, that's the trade for today. Yeah, amazing trade, I'll say. Yeah, overall, this is a trade that I took, made around $40. Yeah, made around $40. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on Monday. Let's see if yeah, we'll see you on Monday. On Friday is where I'm going to make a different type of video on how to pass your evals, funded accounts / funded accounts, so you can just, for 2 more days on the Alpha Futures account, yeah, so you can pass your funded accounts immediately. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I will record that on the February 13. Yeah, February 13. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you Monday. Peace.